Welcome back to my channel, Nails by Tashi. Today's video I show me unboxing my new drill. I also tested out just a little bit on Kelly. So if you guys want to see how I did that, just like and subscribe. Also keep watching. I got this on eBay. It's called Nail File Rechargeable Electric Nail Art Polish Machine Manicure Tool. I will put a picture up of it, of like the listing on eBay, if you guys want to see it. Yeah, so just like it, tell me what you guys think, tell me if you have this drill, or tell me about your drill. Keep watching. Alright, so we're gonna get started. So this is how it came. They just shipped it like this. It wasn't inside of anything. And then it just has like this little sticker here. So, oh, there's a couple stickers. No? Oh my gosh. Okay, ooh, got it. Alright, so just on first opening it, it doesn't really seem like it was packaged that well. Like there's no bubble wrap or anything. I mean, I guess stuff couldn't move around that much, but I mean, I don't know. I'm sure this got slammed around a lot, so hopefully it's okay. Oh wow. Oh, it's like, it's glittery. I didn't realize that. So this is really pretty. This is so, it's like crazy light, like so light. It probably doesn't even weigh a pound. It has a switch. Oh wow, it has like a little charge on it still. Very cool. It came with some sanding bands. These are like, I think there's a mix of like extra coarse and coarse. That's cool. Came with these little brushes. You can wipe everything off after you dust it. Very cute. This is the plug-in. It came with some little drill bits. Oh, this is exciting. This is like one that you can use on skin, I think, like for pedicures and stuff, so that'll be really great. And then just like these little basic ones that always come with like an Amazon or eBay drill. This is like a foam little holder, kind of weird. Yeah, I'm really excited about these. Here is, I'm gonna set those off to the side. Oh wow, this is the little holder for the handle. Oh, it came with another little brush. 3 of them, very cool. This is also super light. So this is the one, my old one broke, so I was using like an even older one. And there's like a huge difference. So this is going to be really great. This thing is, oh my gosh, huge compared to that. So, yeah, I'm going to plug it in. Here is, this is what the little plug-in looks like. I'm going to open this up and plug it in. Okay, so I've got, here is the plug-in. I'm going to, oh, okay. Here is where you plug in the power cord right there. And it's charging now. So I'm going to go ahead and let this charge for a little bit and come right back. So I've had it plugged in for about 15 minutes now. The light is still red. One thing I noticed on here, it says charging time should not exceed 4 hours. So this is not something that you can just leave plugged in and just forget about it. You have to make sure you unplug that power cord, or else I'm sure you'll mess up the battery or something. So I am going to plug this in. This thing is so light. Yeah, so it has like the little stand. You can set it here like this, and you can put it in here. It's got this little clip on it, so you can clip that onto something if you're going to clip it on your pants or your belt. I'm pretty certain I won't clip it on my pants or anything, but it's a very fun thing if you want to do that. I have Kelly here. She's got some lovely toenails that I'm going to be using to file on and test this thing out. First thing I'm going to do is put this on here, and then wow, this thing is just so light. You unscrew it, and it's in there. I'm going to move this over. Okay, I've got Kelly here. I am going to turn it on. It's pretty quiet. It's so light. I'm going to go about like this. So I'm just going to start out with the regular nail polish. This is just one coat of regular nail polish with one coat of top coat. So I'm just going to go ahead and file that and see how it takes it off. So, I mean, it took it off pretty nicely, pretty quickly. This thing is so light. It's a lot better than my other drills, so yeah, overall pretty good. I'm going to see how it does if I just kind of cut the nail down and take a lot of that length. This one didn't come with the drill, but I just want to see how it does, so I'm just going to go ahead and try that. Probably on this one, maybe a little bit on this one, we'll see. I mean, it took it off pretty fast. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna use this one now and see if it'll let me drill like a small hole in the nail. Okay, so it did the hole. I'm pretty happy with it. I think that would be really cool if I did like a lot of holes and then filled them in like with colorful acrylic. That'd be really cool. Another time though, for sure. So overall, I am really happy. I'm pretty happy with this drill. It's not like super powerful, but also it was only like $50. It was less than $50, so I mean, you can't expect a whole lot out of it. Well, I mean, no, you can expect a lot out of it for $50, but not like a $300 drill or something like that, you know? So you get what you pay for. I'm happy with it. It's so light. It's way lighter, way smaller than my old one. So we'll see. I just have to make sure I don't leave it plugged in, which might be a challenge. Yeah. So tell me what you guys think. Like and subscribe. See you guys later. Thanks for watching.